mysterious question. Why do two equal smart people get promoted differently, even if their results look the same? It happens every single day around 3 p.m. Your manager notices it, you don't. And here's the crazy part. The same thing hurting your career is also quietly ruining your body's shape and keeping fat stuck on you. Every afternoon something shifts, your Slack replies slow down, your thinking gets fussy, and you talk less in the meetings. You blame work, you blame stress, but your manager is asking a different question entirely. Can this person still perform when energy is low and pressure is high? And while you're fighting brain fog at 3 p.m., your body is also storing more fat, doing less energy, and sliding into worse shape without you realizing it. Why? Same cause, same consequences. Here's what nobody tells you. Promotions aren't decided in the morning. Morning performance is expected. Everyone is sharp at 9 a.m. Leadership decisions are shaped in the afternoon. Strategy meetings, client calls, high-pressure situations. When you mentally check out at 3 or 4 p.m., your manager doesn't think they need a snack. They think this person fades when it matters. One bad afternoon doesn't matter, but 3 afternoons per week for 6 months? That's a pattern. Slow responses, so you say, let me get back to it tomorrow. And while you think you're just tired, your manager is silently comparing you to somebody who's staying sharp until 5 p.m. Same talent, same skill, different fuel. This isn't about motivation, it's biology. When your blood sugar crashes, the first thing to shut down is your prefrontal cortex. That's decision making, strategic thinking, leadership behavior. At the same time, your body shifts into fat storage mode. Low energy, low output, more fat retention. Same mistakes, 2 consequences. The people who win in this game aren't more disciplined. They've removed daily decision fatigue. One 90-minute prep decision. One 90-minute prep session per week. 5 ready meals. No delivery apps. No skipped lunches. No 3 p.m. crash. Their energy stayed stable and their thinking stays sharp. And their body finally gets the signal to burn fat instead of storing it. So why do 2 equal smart persons get promoted differently? Because one looks reliable when energy is low and pressure is high. Fix your fuel and you fix your career and your body at the same time. Try this for 2 weeks. Comment steady if you're done letting 3 p.m. crashes decide your future.